Hello everyone, if you are new to the channel, I'm currently on a mission to build 12 apps in 12 months. This journey kicked off in January where I built Enshift Describer, which is a reverse dictionary that helps you find the right word by describing the concept or the idea. So it's a reverse dictionary because with dictionary you need a word to find the meaning, and with Describer you just describe the meaning, the concept or the idea, and we find the perfect word for you. In February, I launched CrowdTruth, which is an anonymous social media polling platform where people vote on thought-provoking statements to see what percentage of humanity agrees or disagrees. And currently in March, I'm building Hardshot, which is a tactical 2D shooting game. Yeah, so I started building Hardshot somewhere in the middle of February, and I'm currently about to demo the progress so far. So with describing CrowdTruth is already in production on both iOS and Android. I'll put the download link in the description below so you can download, try it out, and give me feedback and how I can improve it. And also with Describer, after the demo, if you're interested in testing it out, you can shoot me a DM with your email and I can add you as part of the testers as well. Yeah, so with that said, let's jump right in.